Time gets drifted away, and as I look back on the years, memories of happiness and bitter tears. Through it all there was a common thread that cannot be ignored. You were there, teaching me to be your servant, Lord. All along, your hand has been guiding me, shaping my life to be a beautiful song. All along, you've led me through the things that you do would make me strong. Your knife has been there all along. Every joy and pain had a reason of its own. Now I realize that I was not alone. The changing season of my life were not left up to chance. Lord, I